Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the feeling algorithms. In 2D shape feeling we have first one is the solid feeling, this one is the pattern feeling, and this one is the textured feeling. In this region feeling we have some requirements. The requirements are the shape must be closed. It must have a wall defined inside and outside. The test determination and some rules. Those are the requirements of region feeding algorithms. In this section we have some regions. Those are divided by outlines. We need to fill them. We have points. Here we have pink point to fill the color pink. Here we have blue and yellow to fill them by blue and yellow also. That is how the filling algorithm works. Here we have the original image, and here we have the pink pixel have been flooded the yellow. That is how the flood filling algorithms are worked. Here we have draw a line. The starting point is 0 0. Then we have go to 1 0. Then we have move 1 0 to 1 1. Then to 0 1, and finally to the 0 0 again. That is how we draw a rectangle and then fill the color. In the pixel level, we have the boundary pixels, or all the component of the pixel which is comprised it as the interior defined. In the filling regions, we have two approaches: seed filling algorithm and raster filling algorithms. Seed filling means we selected a point and then the color spreaded all around this pixel. This is known as the seed filling algorithm. And raster filling means you scan the line and fill the color, then again scan the line and fill the color, and so on. That is how the raster filling and seed filling works. Now we're in the seed filling algorithm. First of all, we need to select a seed or a point. Then it will move outwards to its neighborhood. And finally, when it stops when the end point or the region is filled with the color. In the filling algorithm, while the filling list is not empty, we will put or set some colors. And if the neighbor is inside region and neighbor is not set, then added the neighborhood to the fill list to fill the color. Determining the neighborhood, we have basically 4 coordinated regions and 8 coordinated regions. 4 coordinate regions means 4 sides of the selected x1, and 8 is for the 8 sides. Here we need to fill this region. In this section we have this original boundary, and if we zoom it, we can see this pixel is looking like this. If we use the 4 coordinate neighborhood, it will just color this side and this side, this side and this sides are remaining uncolored. If we use 8 color neighborhood, the all flower is colored. That's why we use 8 coordinate neighborhood instead of 4 coordinates. In the filling algorithm, we have boundary filling and float filling. Boundary filling means the boundary is fixed here. We will fix a boundary color, and inside that color all will be filled. This is known as boundary based section as boundary filling. And in float filling, the boundary is not the matter. When it have the old color, then it will transform it into the float section. The boundary section. Here we have the boundary color, and here we have our seed. The seed will color the all inner elements until it will reach to the boundary sections. This one is known as the boundary filling. That is how the boundary filling algorithm works. Now, the float filling. Here we have a seed point and these yellows are all the old colors. When the pixel value from the get pixel it will have the color is yellow, then it will transform it into a new color. That is how the float filling algorithm works. In this section you can see that we have used this 4 connected floating algorithm here. For this, this pixel will search in this point, this point, this point and this point, but it will not search on this point. If we use 8 connected here, this will search all around the 8 points to the seed pixel. That is why it will connect it to this point and this will also be color changed. Here we have some discussions on float filling and boundary filling. The span-based seed filling algorithm is declared here. Now we are discussing about raster filling displays. Here we have 2 points. Here is the maximum x and y and here is the minimum xy. In this section, here we have set this j equals to y min, and if the value of j will loop from 1 to the when the y is the maximum and j plus plus. In for loop, we have the initial value of I is x min, and this loop will goes until the x max and I will plus plus. Then the set pixel I and j, and lastly the fill color section. Here we have used the boundary filling. We have already discussed about boundary filling algorithm and how it works to fill the polygon. In polygon filling, we have even odd parity and the non-zero winning number. Even odd parity and non-zero winning number is discussed here. From this diagram you can see, if you draw a line from this inside of this shape to the outside, if it intersects the point 1 and then 1 is an odd number, that is why we will declare that it will goes outside. And if it intersects in 2 points, then which is look like this, and first we intersect in this point and next at this point. That's why we can say that the line is in the intersection. So if the number is even, it will inside, and odd will be the outside. And if the value is non-zero, then it will be inside the region, and if the value is zero, then it will be the outside of the region. That's for today. Thank you.